Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete an order on Etsy without using the tracking number. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here in this video, I'm just going to follow this article or help uh, article from the help center of Etsy. So to complete an order, it's easy. You will be needing just to simply go to your orders from the shop manager, and then you will need just to go to the process in completing your order. So simply on Etsy, you will be needing to go to the shop manager. So basically this is only the dashboard. Now you will be needing to go to the orders. So by going to orders, we will be able to start adding the informations for this order from like the shipping carrier, shipping dates, and tracking number and everything. So basically here you will go to order and then you will need just to go to new so you can find all the new orders and not the completed one. So here you click on new and after that you will find an icon that is similar to this one next to each order. You click on it and basically you will need just to click on complete order. So now you will need just to choose a ship date and you can add a personal note to the buyer. And basically here, when selecting the ship carrier, you will be asked to add a tracking information. What you will be needing to do is in shipping carrier, you will need to choose others. So basically in the list provided, you will need to go to the bottom and choose others. By clicking on others, you will be given another choice or a button that will be appearing that will says this carrier doesn't need an tracking number or tracking information. By clicking on this button, you will be able to start like shipping without using your um, tracking information. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.